we're back on Magicite with Serexium. Yep, here I am. Two. Right, and we're playing as Peon again, and then 3 Heart Minus Heart, and trade together and push brewer. We've got five health, 4 magic air to go. Right, straight into this so we can get going. I got 2 bits of gold, or that was not a bad start, that, you know. This guy see me? Can you see me? Come on, guy. Is he blind or something? There we go. That's difficult getting up there. Right. Let's quickly get a pick going. Because I want to go get that stone. Ah. Hammond. What the hell? Go up. There we go. That was a bit stressful. I don't like them bulls. Scary. I know there's a way to dash, but I don't know it. Right, with slimes down here, we'll kill these kids. Oh. Kill these and get potions, so let's quickly craft a potion. Big. I'm going to drink that because that's something that can kill me in one shot now. Right. Let's quickly do this. Good, nice. That bull's going crazy over there. Right, let's get going. I didn't realise you could never hold down space. Right, we've got him there. Do this. Get him off there. Then we can chop his tree. So we need much wood as possible to start with, really. I need a bow, really. I just hit him. Let's get up here. Get the pig wrecked. Get wrecked, pig. Got better. Come on, herbs. Ah, I don't want you shrooms, man. Right, let's get him to run at me. Now jump him. Get this. Get this one. Like a ninja. Why is there so many? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Just run this bit. Deal. I don't even care. There's too many of them. That was scary. That. I'll use these 2 herbs. Ah, well, these guys go away and leave me alone. Let's get a potion. Just drink it. I don't want to die. Right, I can take 1, so if I can go like this. And then drop down. Get up here. Ah, they've all fell down. Crap. crap. Get a big health potion. Nice. Right. I think it's better that we have less stuff and survive than it is we die, so if I just grab these here, grab these. I'll go back for that other piece, this one here. Oh, no, be stopped on it, man. This is getting annoying now. Right, now there's bees on those, great. This is not a nice round. Oh, I was gonna craft something yet. Get a stone sword going because I want a stone sword. Got enough for a stone pick as well, like so. There's no spiders, which is annoying because I want to get there. backing off. Ah, come at us. Some begins to grumble. Just get out of here, Bill. Oh, she killed the slime. Damn it. Well, we made it out alive. We're so close to death, but we've got five. We can make a 5-star. I don't really want to make a 5-starter. I'm probably better off eating this raw. Basically, I messed up there. That was hard. Probably wasn't even that hard. I was just exaggerating. Now, dude, let's just get going. We need to make up for that. What the hell? Get off! Get off my screen! I didn't even know what that was. It was something about some security thing. I don't even know. How long has it been there? This looks a bit more calmer. So it looks like we'll grab some stuff before we get into the round too much. There we go. Get some ironite now, which is really handy. Spider. Oh, damn it! Stupid. Those are stupid. We'll do this now. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's it? Ah. To go. Got a boo. Bow and 10 arrows. Great. Screw the XP. Right, yep, so we're staying pretty safe here. Besides the boss, it's pretty safe. What acts about break, great. I don't know whether they craft a stone one or just like live with the wood one. I don't want anything down here. Why did I come down here? Alright, we need a new wood axe, I just realised, right? So like this, then there we go, nice job. Got some bees, we'll take these out straight away. The amount of arrows I'm wasting here. Something begins to crumble, that's nice. Get 2 arrows back in my bar. So the bee's gone that way. Ow! You stupid slime! Oh god. Stupid thing. There's another one there, and should we get him out? Can we do this? Yeah, that knows me. I'm running. I'm gonna do it. I want like I don't really need the spider anymore because I've got myself a bit of bow now. But I do want that rock. I'm not doing too good here. I think I'm out of arrows. Yeah. Come here, slime. What? Ah, damn it. That was absolutely terrible that round. Oh, we've got the noble guy. Check him out in a minute. So let's go to the menu. Unlock noble, which is the stone axe. And yeah, he looks cool. These look cool, but 20% unlock after beating the game. Ooh. Under an hour. I could probably do that. District 10 to play through. After beating the game without using a HP potion. Ooh, that's nasty. That's difficult. Right. Let's see what the Nova would look like. Let's put scarf on. Yeah! Right, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Sorry I died so early. Sorry I'm crap at the game. Hopefully next time we'll do better. I'll see you next time. Bye.